This is the scariest house in the world. One night I was sitting in my room when I heard a loud crash. I assumed it was the wind, but then I heard footsteps in the attic right above my head. I got really scared and started to scream. Then the footsteps stopped. The next morning I woke up and went downstairs to see what had happened, and that's when I saw this. Someone had left a ladder leaning against the wall and it had made a loud noise when it fell over. But that wasn't the scary part. The scary part was that when I went to the attic to investigate, I found this. There was a hole in the ceiling and it looked like something had crawled through it. I didn't think much of it at the time, but now that I'm sitting here in my room, I can't help but wonder, what if whatever that is up there doesn't stay up there?